Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 11th lesson of D3 chapter number 8, exercise 8D, that is about the cosine law. What is cosine law and under what condition we have to apply the cosine law? These are the questions that have to be really clear to all of my students, because lessons of mathematics are integrated with each other. If one link and lesson is weak, the next lesson will also be affected. So you have to watch the basic lessons, for which I'll be giving the link of the lesson in the description box. So let's move to the solution and discussion of question number 15, and this is one of the important questions of your O-level examination. So don't miss any part of the question, because if you will be missing any part of the question, you will be finding this question difficult. Question 15 says that the figure shows two triangles ABC and ADE. Okay, there are two triangles. One is ABC triangle and other one is ADE triangle, and we have to decide that that ADE is the enlargement of triangle ABC or not. And then we have to find the value of cos of theta, and then final requirement of the question is that we have to find missing length. We'll be discussing each part one by one. Let's first talk about that how to decide that triangle ADE is the enlargement of the triangle ABC or not. Okay, let's try to discuss the idea and concept of enlargement. That what happens in enlargement, that each length of the enlarged figure is the scalar multiple, or k times the corresponding length of the smaller figure. So in order to find that triangle ADE is the enlargement of triangle ABC or not, we will be finding the ratio of the corresponding sides, and we have to see whether the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal or the scalar multiple of each other or not. If this happens, then the triangle ADE will be the enlargement of triangle ABC. And now A to B is 3 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. And now AD is total 5. This is 5 centimeter. This side we do not know, and the base is 11 centimeter. Now, how to solve this part of the question? That triangle ADE is the enlargement, or will be the enlargement. Better to use will. Be the enlargement of what? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC if. Now look students, I have not written, I am not saying in the beginning that is the enlargement. I am saying if it happens. What happens? That AB upon AD. AB has a ratio with AD equals to what? AB, the ratio of the small triangle, base of the small triangle AC upon AE. Now what we have to do? AB upon AD. Replace the values. AB is 3 and AD is 5, and which can be taken as 0.6. 3 by 5, 0.6. And now AC upon AE. AC is 6 and A to E is total 11. 6 by 11. Now let me divide 6 by 11, and this gives me 0.54. 0.54. So we can observe that from 1 and 2, AB upon AD is not equal to AC upon AE. So it means that the triangle ADE is not the enlargement of triangle ABC. I hope you are clear about this part, and let's move to the second part. And the second part says that we have to find the value of cos theta. Value of cos theta. For that purpose, what we have to do is that we have to take the triangle ABC. Let me make it with ruler. Okay, always use your ruler and pencil for the drawing of the figures. Okay, A, B, and C. This is 3, this is 3.5, and this is 6. I'm leaving the units for some time, and this is theta. Okay, so what we have to do, we are just given with 3 sides. This is also one of the clue that how you will be deciding that which law, sine law or cosine law you will be using. When just 3 sides are given to us, then we have to use what, students? We have to use cosine law. So this is small a, this is small c, and this is small b. And now as we need to find cos of this angle, so we will be writing the cosine law in this way, that a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc and cos of angle A. That in the later part I will be replacing by theta. I'm going really slow because this is one of the problem of some of my students. This is 3.5 square equals to 3.5 square equals to 3 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 3 into 6, dot stands for multiplication, and cos of A, which is theta. And now 3.5 square will be equal to 12.25 equals to 9 plus 36 minus 6 3s are 18, 2s are 36 cos theta. 36 cos theta. Now 9 plus 36. This will be giving me 45. 12.25 equals to 45 minus 36 cos theta. This will be giving me, let me perform rest of the working at this place. 12.25 minus 45 equals to minus 36 and cos theta. 12.25, I have to take away 12.25 from 45, and I will left with 32.75 equals to minus 36 and cos theta. Now we need to find the value of cos theta. So what we have to do is we have to divide this towards this side, 32.75 upon 36. Why? Either I can keep minus sign over here and like this, and cos theta, now I have to divide it by 36, and then I have to convert it into fractions. Cos theta is equal to 0.9097. Now either I can leave my working in this way, or I can use calculator, ST key or FT key, whatever is available on your calculator. So cos theta equals to 131 by 144. I hope you are clear about that, how we are deciding that the given triangle is the enlargement of the smaller triangle or not, and how we are finding the value of cos theta. And for the next part, that says that we have to find value of x. Now you can see, students, that I have this big triangle with me, which has one vertex D, A and E. This side is 11, this side is 5, and this is x, and we have the value of cos of this angle that we'll be using for the next calculation. So let's move to the next part of this question. Let's move to the last part of this question, and that says we have to find value of x. Third part of the question is that we have to find value of x. For that purpose, I've drawn the outer big triangle with us, and here we have the answer of cos of this angle with us. So what we have to do is that this side will be A, this side will be D, and this side will be E, and we have to find x. So what we are going to do, we have to apply cosine law again, and according to that, a square equals to d square plus e square minus 2 times de, and cos of angle theta or cos of angle A, keeping in mind that this is actually at vertex A. And now A is the length, so that is unknown, so I'm going to write it as it is. D is 11 square, E is 5 square, minus 2 into D, 11 multiplied by 5 multiplied by cos theta, 131 by 144. Dot stands for multiplication. Those who are my old students, they knew it really well. At 121 plus 25. Now I have to hold the calculator. This is 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 131. This is minus 14410 by 144. Let me divide this at this stage so that by working becomes less and easy. 100.06, and when I'm adding, this is 6, this is 41, but let me confirm, 125 plus 121 plus 25, this is 146 minus 100.06, and this gives me 45.94. X square equals to 45.94, and in order to get value of x, what we have to do, we have to take the square root. 45.94 square root of this, 6.77 and centimeters. I hope you are clear about this question. Please watch and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.